Today, I would like to talk about a very important day that reminds us about the challenges and opportunities of growing population. World Population Day. This day was established by the United Nations to raise awareness about the population-related issues and their impact on our lives. According to recent population estimates, India ranks first in population, followed by China, United States, Indonesia, and Pakistan. Have you ever thought how many people live in our country today? India is the most populous country in the world with about 148 crore people. Each person has dreams, needs, and the right to a healthy and happy life. But have we ever wondered what happens when the population grows rapidly while our resources remain limited? It can create challenges such as shortages on food and water, pressure on natural resources, difficulties in providing education, healthcare, housing, and employment opportunities for everyone. Population is not just about numbers, it is about people, their well-being, their opportunities, and their future. A large population can be a great strength when people are educated, healthy, and skilled. Educated and healthy citizens contribute to the progress of a nation. Women's education and empowerment also play a vital role in building a better future. Every individual has a responsibility to use natural resources wisely, protect our environment. Can one small action make a difference among crores of people? Yes. Saving water, reducing waste, planting trees, and keeping our surroundings clean can create a huge impact. Population is not just about numbers, it is about ensuring a better quality of life for everyone. On this World Population Day, let us all pledge to use resources wisely, care for our environment, and work together to build a healthier and happier and more sustainable